Another reason it's kind of wobbly is because I don't got a screw up here either. But anyways, does this look normal? Hey guys, welcome back. The show Saturday, I wouldn't say it was a bust, but kind of went in there with expectation of not to win anything, and it's exactly what happened. I didn't know they're handing out the prize, to be honest with you, until I saw people leaving. So I had a good time though. Like I said, visited with my dad quite a bit, and the last video I mentioned electric engine. Been looking into it a little bit, and it seems to be really expensive for everything I need, but at the same time, I don't want to rule it out. I got a little time to think about it because we're nowhere near putting in the drivetrain for it. Sorry about that. Got dirt daubers again. They're everywhere. Anyways, got a little time to think about it. I think it'd be neat for it to have an electric engine. You know, I don't think I ever heard or seen one or an early Bronco with that kind of setup. I'll reach out to some people and see if they have any ideas on what I need, and kind of get a parts list together, so to speak, and kind of weigh the pros and cons of it. But right now, we're just gonna focus on getting the body right, and then we'll start on the frame, suspension, all that stuff. And if we happen to go with electric, if it's not too terribly expensive, then I may have to modify the suspension a little bit, make it a little bit heftier, so it can take the weight of the battery packs, and the engine probably weighs quite a bit, so I might do a little modification there. But anyways, just a thought. Let me know in the comments what y'all think. Sorry if I look kind of darty, but things are buzzing around me at the moment. Today we're gonna put the bunk roll back on the dollies. I think I might swing it. Thought about starting on the passenger side a little bit, getting it kind of to where we're at with the drivers. That way we can kind of maneuver the fenders where they need to be kind of at the same time. I don't want to get this one where it's good, and then this one, you know, kind of want to be similar. So we'll probably start looking at the passenger side just a little bit, getting our gaps, how I think we need them. And I got another door over there. We may pull that out, put the hinges on. I was gonna put the door on Saturday, but this thing is way off, like the driver's side, so we'll probably have to strap it and ratchet it back and do it like we did the other one, kind of get it close. But on this side, the kick panel is welded in, so I don't know if that's gonna be a big issue, because I think we're good with it. I'm not sure. Anyways, we'll mess with it and see what happens. You'll probably hear a fan, maybe, because it's extremely hot and humid out here. So I have a fan blowing on the camera and another fan just blowing in the shop. So sorry if there's kind of wind noise, but let me turn around here real quick, and I'll really show y'all what it looked like with the hood and the grill and everything together. All right, we actually got the grill on there pretty good, and the hood's bolted in the back thanks to my wife coming out and helping me. But you can see pretty good sized gap all the way down here. It gets real narrow down here at the end, which thinking that needs to be just a little bit wider here. And there's a little bit of an overhang, you can see right here. And the same way this side, a little bit of overhang, but big gap here, and it gets smaller as you go back. So this needs to kind of shift, like this side come this way a little bit. And I think this did have some shims up there to kind of get it where it needed to be. But with that being said, this is bolted directly to the tub in here. So this is probably where this needs to sit. Unless, again, we had to put shims in here, which I don't know if people do that or not. Let me know if they do. Kind of bring this out some. But this lines up okay. You can see we got an issue here. And this needs to be pulled out a little bit, which I think when I strap it down, kind of fold it in a little bit. This side's the same way. So it's more or less the fenders kind of need to come in a hair and up. And this needs to shift like that. That makes sense. So probably one shim over there, shift it this way a little bit, close this gap up a little bit, make this one just a little bit wider down here. That's what I'm kind of looking at the front. Let me know if that's what y'all kind of see with the limited amount of video I've shown you. But anyways, let's put those dollies on there. CC. She got a shave for the summer. I think she's feeling a lot better. She's about to pass out now. Anyways, we got two there, two here. We'll get on here and we'll flip it this way. We'll start on this area, trying to get it situated. So let's get to work. Well, kind of put the, I'm gonna try to fit the rocker in there first this time. Then I know I need both hinges on. I think one of the holes was stripped in the other one, and one of the holes was stripped here too. So, oh, I know why I didn't. Let me open this up. It's just hanging there, and it's not good. But let's take this off real quick. All right, took the door off. My hinge is gonna hit this, so I'm probably gonna have to cut this a little bit lower and put the rocker in there, which is supposed to be correct, and it's almost within level, but this needs to come forward quite a bit. I think I've bent it too much. Another reason it's kind of wobbly is because I don't got a screw up here either. But anyways, does this look normal? As in, right down there is a little bit of a gap. It gets tighter, so it kind of needs to come like this. But I don't know. I shouldn't be checking it for level, but this makes me feel better. And I screwed the bottom of the pillar to this. For some reason, this don't want to go in there. I believe this also needs to go up. It hangs just a little bit low down here. So I think I need to bend this back some, move it up a little bit, and retry everything. I may cut a little bit of this off so I can put another hinge on there, and then we can find the guts to my new door. I don't know if this one's just one that I'm probably going to try to sell, but I just need to get the door in there and fit right. Yeah, if any ideas on how to go about doing it this way, please let me know. I measured my outer rocker. It's supposed to be the correct measurement that everybody's telling me. So, I mean, that says how it's supposed to go. But I had a pretty good gap back here. Well, as you can see, I'm a sweaty mess, hot. Next time we'll come back to the passenger side, try to get it all squared away and fitting better. Please, if you have any suggestions, please leave in the comments below or email me. I don't want to make a ton of holes in this kick panel like the driver's side, so give me some ideas on how about, or just if that's correct, how it's setting like that. The bottom end seems to be in that way and the top out that way. The top needs to roll back, but also needs to come forward, or roll forward and come back. I don't know. Yeah, any help on that, I appreciate it. But if you're new channel, like this kind of stuff, please stick around. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We're gonna be on this until we get everything squared away, or I find somebody that wants to do the body work for me. I'm kind of up in the air at the moment. Anyways, you made this far. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.